In this video, I'm going to show you how to fade in and out of audio in CapCut. So let's start by heading over to the CapCut application, and then from here you can either create a new project or open a project that you've already created. Now, if your audio is already in the background of your video, then you'll first need to extract the audio. You can do that by clicking audio in the bottom navigation, scrolling across and clicking on extract, and then you need to select the video clip that you want to extract the audio from. Click on add. And just like that, we have now extracted the audio. Now, in order to fade in and out of these audio tracks, you need to select your audio track like this, click on fade, and then you can choose whether to fade in the track or fade out of the track. Once you're happy, click on the tick icon in the bottom right hand side. Now, if for some reason you wanted to fade in or out of the middle of the track, what you would need to do is cut this audio track into two. So to do that, simply select the audio track and press split, and then select the second half of the audio clip and once again click on fade, and just like before, we can now fade in and out of this second part of the audio. Once you're finished, simply click on export in the top right hand side, and it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.